Hi there, this is Rick Vanderlinden at Progressive Edge. This video is going out to all those green belts or Lean Six Sigma green belts or Lean Six Sigma black belts that are about to kick off a project. This may also go to just Lean if you want to work a Lean project. But I'm thinking that most likely you're enrolled in one of our programs, one of our classes that are coming up, and you're concerned about being ready for day one. Day one of the class will kick off with Project Charter and Project Kickoff. So let's take a look first at a project charter, which if you don't have one already, you can go to progressiveedge.com, go look at our resource library of free tools, scroll down to the bottom there, and you'll see project charter, which you can download. So let's actually take a look at a project charter. What you'll see is, well, what we're mostly concerned with are first 5 boxes. The first 5 boxes are the first 5 sections here are building up your problem statement. So your project is coming together to solve a problem. So that problem would be in what product or what service or what process. That's what you're going to fill in here. Each of these have hidden comments, so you can move the cursors over and see what's in there. The second box, what are the boundaries? So where's the beginning and end points of the process that you're about to work on? So are you going to be, think of a flow diagram. Where does it start? Where does it end? Those are the boundaries of the process that you're going to work on. So fill that in along with any other words you'd like to put. Box 3, if there's any quantifiable goals, any objectives that have been set by leadership that this project is going to address, put that in there. And then boxes 4 and 5, benefits to the business, benefits to your customers. We like to think external customers, but internal or external, but primarily external customers. How are they going to benefit? How's your business going to benefit? And so put those words in. And then if you notice, there's 2 tabs, green belt and black belt. On these 2 tabs, you'll see some basic guidelines for your project. If you're going into green belt, is this a project that's going to address a problem that's important to your business? Is this a process that you have influence or control over? Generally, as a green belt, your project is going to be focused on an area that you work, an area that you spend time. I'll let you read through the rest of the questions there. As a black belt, same questions, but a little bit different in that your projects typically tend to cut across functional areas, across departments, broader in scope, and bigger impact. As a green belt, you're usually working the project as a team. As a black belt, you're working it as an individual. So let you read through those. In our first day of class, you'll get a chance to, we'll spend plenty of time going through this in more detail. Then just wanted to talk briefly about these four components that you should be concerned with as you're kicking off your project. First is the project charter we just mentioned, but there's also a chartering manager that you need to be working with, or sponsors. Some people call them sponsors. So your chartering manager is the one that provides resources, provides direction, resource time, money, and then direction. And they're also the ones that are going to benefit from your project. So you're working this project to get yourself trained and see results and certify. But the chartering manager or sponsor is going to win from your successful project. So you're working closely with them. Their name is also on the bottom of the charter. They're the ones that you're going to want to review regularly with them. They sign off when you first start up, and they sign off when you finish the project. The second piece here is the team. You're going to want to assemble a team, meet regularly. We'll be talking quite a bit more about that when you get into class. Planning, we can use a tollgate review if you like, which is a common Lean Six Sigma tool. It's optional. And then an action plan for sure. You're going to end up needing to kick an action plan off real soon to capture all those open items and who's responsible and when's it due. And then the last of the 4 here is the support. You should have frequent contact with your team, of course, but also with your chartering manager. And then working closely with myself or one of the others on my team as your mentor / coach to help you along through the project. So hopefully this gets you going. Mainly the first 5 boxes on the project charter that you need to get filled out. So work on it. First day of class, bring a project charter filled out, and it's not a bad idea to bring a couple of them in case you want to have an option or want to have some discussion on what might make for a better project. So again, hopefully this helped you, and watching this was good for you. Thanks for watching, and if you need more help, certainly just look us up at progressiveedge.com, where you can find other process improvement tools, videos, or other support.